Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a drugstore makeup tutorial. Usually when I do my intros, I already have my makeup on so you can see the final look, but I will plop up some video of the final look so you guys know what you're in for. I just feel like getting started with my makeup and doing the intro now. So that's what we're doing. This little reaction going on my skin, and I really should not be putting on makeup, but you know, whatever, it is what it is. And I got a new mic. I'm getting used to it because it's literally right here. If I hit this table in any way, but I'm gonna start with priming my skin, and this has SPF in it, which is really good because I didn't apply my sunscreen today because I knew I was using this primer, and I thought, you know what, let's just forego it so I can go ahead and get started with my makeup. Because you know, like when you're doing your skincare and you're just like, okay, I want to be to the makeup step, I'm done with this. That's how I felt today, and everything I use in this video will be down in the description box, so make sure you check it out because I might be chatting away and not say the name of the product. So yeah, check the description box. But I am next about to use this product that I'm actually running out of, and I tried to order it again online, you guys, and I cannot find it anywhere. I can't find this shade anywhere on their website, which is so strange. Like, I don't know if they got rid of this shade. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. So the dewy one, they have it in the regular one, Toffee. They have Toffee in the regular one, but I couldn't find, now it may be on there now, I need to check. I couldn't find Toffee, so I'm really sad because Toffee is like a perfect match, and the dewy foundation is one of my favorite foundations. So, and the brushes that I'm going to be using in this video are also drugstore. They are from BH Cosmetics. They are the Remix Dance Brush Beat set, and they're really cute. Like, you can see how it has like the little glitter in the handle. So I am just working this foundation all over the skin, and it's giving me such a nice glow. This one side of my face is kind of lit brighter than this side because my window is open. I should probably close it. Okay, and then for concealer, I'm going to use, honestly, my new favorite drugstore concealer. It is the L'Oreal Eye Cream in a concealer, and even though it's eye cream, I use it in other areas too, but I really love it. Oh, I left my sponge. So I really love it. The finish is very comparable to the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion concealer that I love so much. I have been loving this concealer, and it is buildable, which is really good. So you can build it up to a little bit like medium full coverage, but not like full coverage, if you know what I mean. But I love it, love it, love it. I'm actually gonna build it up today because I am so tired. My sinuses aren't helping either. I'm stuffy. It's like every time I'm outside for a while. Me and my dad went and rode bikes today, and now I'm like stuffy, so stuffy. Now this look is going to be kind of like my everyday drugstore glam. It's something that I do pretty much every time I want to be glam, but I want to do something quick that I kind of know the routine. It kind of means like more of a bronzy eye look. I do a bold lip, more like a orangish blush, you know. I'm setting my skin with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade medium. This brush that I'm using is so not like what I would normally use to set my concealer. It's really flimsy, but this is all I have in this set, and I'm trying to just use the set to make it like fully drugstore. So now, okay, let's see, what are we gonna do? We're gonna do brows. I don't think I have a new brow product, but I'm gonna quickly do my brows. Oh wait, no. This is the one I like. I really like the Revlon Colorstay Brow Creator in the shade dark brown. So I'm gonna fill in my brows really quick with this, and then I'll be right back. I'll link in the corner of this video my eyebrow tutorial if you want to learn how to fill in your brows. Okay, and I'm gonna set my brows with the Avocado Conditioning Clear Brow Gel from Milani, and this brow gel is actually pretty good. I used it for the first time actually earlier today. I already had makeup on today, and I took it off, and now I'm putting on more makeup, and my skin is like screaming. So I kind of forgot that one of my eyebrows looks so shiny. You guys, I'm actually having a brow dilemma. Like, I'm acting so calm about my brows, but I'm actually having a brow dilemma that I can't get them to look how I want them. And it's partially because I totally am rushing my brows because I don't want to do them. My brows is the longest step in my makeup routine. Literally, it's like I'm sitting here doing my brows for like 10 minutes trying to get them perfect when they can't get perfect, but in my mind, yes, they can. So it's like I'm constantly trying to make them twins, and then they always end up being sisters. I need to just accept that, but I just cannot accept it to save my life. I'm just bronzing up with the Maybelline City Bronzer. It's one of my favorite drugstore bronzers, or just bronzers in general. So I'm just dusting that all over the face. And now for my favorite part, because I cannot wait to play with this. This is the Mocktail Pressed Powder Palette from Colourpop. And actually one of these shades is not eye safe, so we're not going to be using that one today. But I'm going to start with this kind of reddish shade right here in the bottom corner. And we're going to dust this in the crease, and just like that, this is turning into a bold look. I kind of knew that was gonna happen. Like, I'm always like, oh, we're gonna do a calm look, and then I go in with this shade. But believe it or not, this kind of look is still kind of like an everyday look for me. But my everyday is a little bit more glam than the average Sally. Who is Sally? I don't know. Then I'm gonna take a clean blending brush and kind of just blend the edges. And then we're gonna go in with this really pretty orangey gold shimmer. It is such a beautiful shade, and you actually, I believe, hopefully this is the shade you can use on your eye, which I'm a bit of a rebel, so I would use the other shade too. That is gorgeous. So it's really the shade family that I go for everyday colors. So I like to do, like I said, like bronzy, goldy shimmers and like some sort of transition in the crease, and I switch that out depending on how I feel for the day. And typically on my everyday eyeshadow looks, I only do 2 to 3 eyeshadows, which is kind of, I do that routine a lot too. So even when I'm doing something glam looking, it still would be 2 or 3 shades. This shadow is so beautiful. And then it comes in like this 4 set, so you have like a really good amount of shades to create a look. Like I said, 2 or 3 shades is really all you need for an everyday look. So I actually think that's all that we're gonna do. And I'm gonna take that same shade we used in the crease and apply that to the lower lash line. Okay, and then e.l.f. collaborated with Jen Atkin, which is a celebrity hairstylist, and they came out with this eyeliner. It's called the Zero Effort Liner, and a few other things as well they came out with. But I'm gonna use the brown shade in the waterline, and then I'm gonna apply it to the outer corner of my eyes and blend it out. This liner is so creamy. I did not expect it because it straight up looks like a pencil, and for some reason I thought it was gonna be like stiff like a pencil because it looks like a pencil, but I had to have known better. It's very creamy, which is beautiful. So I found some drugstore lashes. They were tucked away. The Ardell Double 113 lashes. I already have the glue on them here. They're just getting tacky. So while we wait, we'll apply a little bit of blush. The Peach of Me Baked Powder Blush from Milani. I'm really excited about this. To find a new orange blush would like make my day. It's like a one tap situation too. I just keep adding more. Okay, that's enough, Taylor. Okay, I just got this mascara in the mail from Colourpop, and it's their new Act Natural Defining Mascara. So to me, I feel like that means this is going to be more of a natural looking mascara, like almost like your lashes, but better. Let's see. I kind of like a chunky lash look, if I'm being honest, but I want to try this out and see how I like it. Ooh, these lashes are so pretty. Like, I haven't worn them in so long, and they are gorgeous. I love how like wispy they are. They're just so pretty. And I'm like fiddling with them because I can't stop touching them. But let's move on to highlights. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. and Jen Atkin palette. It's the Let's Elfin Do This palette. And I'm going to use this shade right here. It's a highlighter. Okay, so I believe Juvia's place is drugstore because it's in the drugstore section at Ulta, not in like the other side. So we're going to use Juvia's place. Hopefully you guys don't mind if it's not drugstore, but I'm pretty sure it's considered drugstore. I'm going to use the Kola Kola lip liner, which I hope I'm not messing that up. And then for lipstick, I'm going to use the shade In Vogue, also from Juvia's Place. And then to kind of set my makeup, but not really, because I don't think this is a setting spray. I think it's more so just like a hydrating facial mist. It's also from the e.l.f. and Jen Atkin collection, and I'm gonna just spray my entire face. So this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this drugstore makeup tutorial. I definitely wasn't gonna go this glam. My everyday look isn't as bold of colors that I use. These colors, but like more of a muted version. But anyway, I love how intense the pigment is, so that is really nice. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thank you as always so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe down below before you leave and thumbs up this video, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.